In the rolling hills of central Pennsylvania, a visionary named Robert Montgomery carved out a legacy that echoes through time, yet remains largely unsung. Born around 1740 in Ireland, Montgomery immigrated to America, settling in what would become Lycoming County. In 1787, he founded Montgomery Borough, a small but vibrant community along the West Branch Susquehanna River, envisioning a hub of opportunity in the fledgling United States. Montgomery's story is one of grit and foresight. A Revolutionary War veteran, he served with the Northumberland County Militia, defending the frontier against British Allied forces. His service, often overlooked, was critical in securing the region during a turbulent era. After the war, he turned to nation building, purchasing land in 1786 and laying out the borough's grid by 1787, naming it after himself in a bold act of ownership. Unlike many founders, Montgomery wasn't a wealthy elite. He was a yeoman farmer and surveyor, working alongside his neighbors to clear land, build homes, and establish a school by 1792, one of the earliest in the region, reflecting his belief in education as a cornerstone of progress. What sets Montgomery apart is his quiet tenacity. He donated land for public use, including a plot for a community church in 1795, fostering unity in a diverse settler population. He also advocated for infrastructure, helping secure a post road by 1801, linking Montgomery Borough to larger markets. These efforts, rarely highlighted in history books, transformed a wilderness into a thriving community. By his death in 1810, the borough was a beacon of resilience, with a population nearing 300 and a legacy of civic-mindedness. Montgomery's life inspires future generations through an example of selfless leadership. He didn't seek fame or fortune, but built a foundation for others to flourish. His commitment to education, community, and perseverance in the face of frontier hardships offers a timeless lesson. Ordinary individuals, through vision and hard work, can shape history. Today, Montgomery Borough stands as a testament to his unsung heroism, urging young dreamers to plant seeds for a better tomorrow, even if their names fade from the spotlight.